my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is slightly different because I only filmed it for Instagram, and my inspiration is also from Instagram, but because I didn't have a chance to film, we're doing it here. So we're going in and we're doing our brows with the LA Girl concealer and my brow pencils, and I'll make sure I list that below. I am also using my Falana Cosmetics palette, which I have recently very much grown to love, and I'm going in with the teal shade, and then I'll move on to the purple shade as per the picture. I'm just getting my groove on. Then I will realize at this point that the tape is not on my eye, and I am now going to put that tape on my eye. I am now cutting the crease with the Conceal and Define C0.
Your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna?
Then picking back up the palette, we're gonna go back in with that purple shade that we last used. And we are just kind of creating a second cut crease, but only using the shadows. Now I'm going back in with that teal shade, still creating that double cut crease look.
How do I manage? Hey, you gon' make me turn savage. Hey, body cause damage.
Okay, now we're moving on to the Mayo pigment stacks, and I am just using the neon yellow in this, and I am just going to fill that in the inner corner and then work my way along that cut crease line.
How you gonna play me like Drogba? How you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba, eh, DJ Drogba. Give it to them, hands up. Give it to them, hey, give it to them, give it to them.
So I did that really quickly, and I'm probably going to run through this bit really quickly because, like I said, it's an Instagram video and I didn't really film it for YouTube, but here it goes. So this is the primer that we're going in with, and this is the Aoa Wonder Matte Primer. Then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation in the shade Coffee. While I'm doing that, I probably should just mention that this week we're not doing a series. I will probably just post random stuff only because I didn't have the time to film the videos that I wanted to film because life happens. So we'll return to our series from next week. But in the meantime, I am quite active on my Instagram page. So if you guys want to run on over to my Instagram page and follow me, I am doing loads of mini tutorials, loads of look, and I am posting them on my Instagram page. My Instagram is listed below, and it is Empress B19. Right, so here we're just going in with the L.A Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Toffee, and we are just highlighting the areas that need to be highlighted.
Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Big package, hey. How do I manage? Hey, you gon' make me turn savage, hey. Body cause damage, hey. Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Joanna.
Recently, I've not really been contouring as such. I have been using my Milani press powder in the shade Earth Glow 5, and I basically just use that to bronze the areas that I want to contour, if that makes sense. Gotta get that double chin, y'all. Right, so I'm just going in with the Cover FX setting powder, and this is in the shade Deep.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight.
Right, at this point I'm just finishing up my eyes. I am using the MAC Black gel liner, and then I am smoking all that out with the same teal and the same purple that I used on the lids. Now I am just brushing away all that setting powder.
How you gonna play me like Drogba? How you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba.
Now I'm adding some blush, and then I'll add some highlights to the cheeks, to the nose, to the lips, to the chin. You know, the normal. Let's glow me up until like an angel can see me in heaven, because that's the way I like to shine.
Joanna. How you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like
Then I'm going in with the lips with the Aoa Wonder Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Bounce. Then I'm gonna do my Hocus Pocus, and there I am, all finished. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I know this isn't the normal way that I normally do my videos, but I'll catch you guys in my next one, and it will be different.
Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. Big package, hey. How do I manage? Hey, you gon' make me turn savage. Hey, body cause damage.